Hey, everyone! Today we are diving into everything you need to know before staying at Bird of Paradise in Bohol, Philippines. If you want to secure the best rate for your trip, make sure to use the link or scan the QR code in the description below. The hotel is incredibly well located for beach lovers, situated just 390 meters from Alona Beach. It's a very short walk to the sand and the vibrant seaside atmosphere. With a massive 9.5 service rating from over 1,300 reviews, you can expect a very high level of hospitality. The staff is well-trained and multilingual, speaking English, Filipino, French, and German. This property scores a high 9.2 for value, making it a smart choice for travelers looking for quality without overspending. Free breakfast and Wi-Fi are included in your stay. You won't run out of ways to unwind here. The property features both indoor and outdoor swimming pools, a lush garden, and on-site massage services ranging from traditional Filipino highlight to deep tissue. Start your day with a free Continental breakfast. In the evenings, you can head to the poolside bar or the hotel bar to enjoy cocktails, wine, or a cold beer in a laid-back setting. While Alona Beach is a walk away, other highlights like Demaluan Beach and Virgin Island are just a short drive. It's a great base for exploring the natural wonders of Bohol. Getting around is easy with on-site car parking, taxi services, and shuttle options available. They also offer bicycle parking if you prefer to explore the area on two wheels. Rooms come equipped with essential comforts like air conditioning, coffee/tea makers, and private bathrooms. Some rooms also feature balconies or terraces to enjoy the tropical breeze. Please be aware that there is no elevator available at this property. If you have mobility concerns, you should request a ground floor room in advance. The hotel maintains high cleanliness standards with a 9.1 rating. They implement strict protocols including daily disinfection and contactless check-in/out options for peace of mind. Bird of Paradise offers a fantastic blend of great service and a perfect location in Bohol. If this looks like your kind of getaway, click the link in the description or scan the QR code to book safely. Happy travels!